Marvin says, regarding design, seems like the busier the design, the better it is. Like you shouldn't have white space. So yes and no. I think there's a good way to utilize the space in a way that doesn't make it seem too busy. One of the examples, and I know you're probably posting this because I think you were the one that shared that blanket, and my comment was there's a lot of blank space. And one thing that might help is a good example of using space is this wallet case, right? You definitely, could create a design like this, and you could have your Viking helmet in the middle, and then you could have the text below, and then you could also, if you want, you could just make everything around it blue, right? And if you did that, and when I say blue, I'm just talking about a solid color blue, right? If you did that, my comment would be, hey, there seems like there's a lot of blank space there. But you can see with this design that basically around the helmet, while there is not really anything there, everything has a texture. You see what I mean? How it's like lighter in the middle, it's almost like a glowing, right? The color, it's like a gradient color, right? It gets like darker on the outside. And then up in the corner of the product, up here, right here, and here, and then down in each corner, there's also some more stuff pertaining to the design to make it seem a little bit better. Even though there's not really anything going on there, to me, I would call this a good use of space. I don't think that the way that you described it as trying to make it busy. Let me see your exact quote here. It says, seems like the busier the design, the better it is. Like you shouldn't have white space. And what I'm saying is this design is simple. It's really not overcrowded, and they made good use of the space. Right. My comment on that blanket that you shared was based on the fact that a lot of the blanket had nothing going on. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense.